Okay, this video is going to be on how to use the InfinityFree file manager to upload your files. And as you can see, I've got an HTML document here that I named test2, and what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add an image from my image folder. So I'm going to go insert image, and I'm going to go to my root folder. So I'm going to go to art116, my named folder. I'm going to go into my image folder, and I'm just going to pick maybe the tree frog here, and I'm going to open it. And keep in mind, it's in my images folder. That's important. I'm going to open it. I've got that tree frog. I'm going to save the file, and now I'm going to use the InfinityFree website to upload this file. So what I'm going to do is open up that page, which I already have opened. I'm going to click on Client Area. I'm going to come down here and click on my username. Then I'm going to go to the File Manager, the orange button, and click on it. This page loads, and keep in mind it says do not upload files here. What I need to do is upload files to this orange folder called htdocs. I'm going to click on it to open it up. It took a minute. I had to click on the name. Now at the bottom here you've got a series of icons. I think the only ones you're going to need to worry about is this first one where it says upload and possibly delete. But I'm going to click here to upload. I've got three choices: upload file, upload folder, and upload zip. I'm going to choose upload file, and I'm going to look for that test file, which is right here. I'm in my root folder. I'm going to select this file and choose it. It just went through the process of uploading. I can see it right here. Now what I'm going to do is go to my website. So I've got that open here. I can see my index page, but right now keep in mind your index page is your home page. I'm going to go directly to that file. So I'm going to type in test2.html, and I'm going to hit the return key. And as you can see, that InfinityFree's website did not take the image. So what I need to do is also upload that image. So I'm going to go back to the file manager. I'm going to click on the image folder because my image is in my image folder. Again, this is a mirror of what's on my desktop in my root folder. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to upload that frog image. So I'm going to click right here, upload file. I'm going to go into my image folder. I'm going to find the tree frog, and I'm going to choose it. The tree frog has now been uploaded in my image folder. You can see right here. I'm going to go back to this page, and I'm going to refresh it. And there we go. I had to click it twice, but it is refreshed. Now, that's how you upload using the file manager. I'm going to go back one more time. Now I had already had an image folder in here, so make sure that you have a folder in here that says images so it can reflect what's in your username. If you don't have the folder, you could come down here and you could upload folder, and then you could navigate to your folder, going to art116, my named folder, and choose images. And I could choose that, but I don't need to because I already have it up here.